Okay, so what does a power window motor that's going bad sound like? Well, if your brushes are wearing down, this noise that we're going to record tonight doesn't happen for very long and your window motor stops working. So I wanted to show you guys, that's why I'm recording this tonight, I wanted to show you guys what this sounds like, because quite frankly, by tomorrow the window probably won't work anymore. So basically you have to know your car. If every time you turn a motor on in your car and it makes interference on the radio, then your power window motors are probably fine. It's just that your radio is not able to distinguish between any kind of electrical noise. But in this particular case, what we have is a regular AM, FM, top executive Volvo radio. And if you tune it to the AM band, and right now that's not tuned to any station, and I put the air conditioning on, basically nothing. Okay? And I put the window up and down on the passenger side. Very smooth, very quiet. But you put the window up and down on the driver's side, yes, that does really make that noise. That comes through the radio, loud and clear. Now it even gets a little quiet there right at the end because it's probably, the brushes are probably heating up a little bit and they're making better contact. But I can already see the writing on the wall. That power window motor is dying. And without the radio on, the window works normally. But it won't be for long. That is just about dead. So I thought I'd record that noise for all you guys that have never heard a power window motor going bad. And that's about it. So I guess maybe we'll do a video of changing power window motors in a Volvo. Coming up very soon. I'm guessing very, very soon. Alrighty? Well, take care everybody. Have fun. Bye.